Adobe Premiere Pro Product Review. Adobe Premiere Pro is a professional video editing software that is widely used in the film and television industry. It is an incredibly powerful tool that allows users to create high-quality videos with ease. The software is designed with a user-friendly interface that makes it easy for both beginners and advanced users to navigate and use. One of the most impressive features of Adobe Premiere Pro is its extensive range of tools and effects. The software comes packed with a wide range of tools that allow users to edit their videos in almost any way imaginable. From basic trimming and cutting to advanced color correction and audio editing, Adobe Premiere Pro has it all. Additionally, the software has a wide range of effects that can be applied to videos, including transitions, filters, and animations. Another great feature of Adobe Premiere Pro is its integration with other Adobe products. The software seamlessly integrates with other Adobe products such as After Effects and Photoshop, allowing users to easily import and export files between the different programs. This integration makes it easy for users to create complex video projects that incorporate elements from other Adobe products. In terms of performance, Adobe Premiere Pro is incredibly fast and efficient. The software is designed to work seamlessly with high-resolution video files, allowing users to edit videos in real time without any lag or delay. Additionally, Adobe Premiere Pro is optimized for multi-core processors, meaning that it can take full advantage of modern hardware to improve performance. Adobe Premiere Pro also has a wide range of collaboration tools that make it easy for teams to work together on video projects. The software allows users to share projects with other team members, track changes and revisions, and even comment on specific sections of the video. This collaboration feature is especially useful for teams that are working remotely or in different locations. Furthermore, Adobe Premiere Pro offers a wide range of export options that allow users to export their videos in almost any format imaginable. The software can export videos in high-quality formats such as 4K, and it even has presets for popular social media platforms such as YouTube and Instagram. The export process is also incredibly fast, allowing users to quickly and easily share their videos with others. While Adobe Premiere Pro is an incredibly powerful and feature-rich software, it can be a bit overwhelming for beginners. However, Adobe offers a wide range of tutorials and resources that make it easy for beginners to get started with the software. Additionally, there is a large community of users who share tips, tricks, and resources online, making it easy for users to learn and improve their skills. Overall, Adobe Premiere Pro is an exceptional video editing software that is perfect for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Its extensive range of tools and effects, seamless integration with other Adobe products, and collaboration features make it a top choice for video editing projects of all sizes. While it may be a bit complex for beginners, the software is well worth the investment for anyone who wants to create high-quality videos with ease. Adobe Premiere Pro is a professional non-linear video editing software used by filmmakers, YouTubers, and content creators to edit and produce high-quality video content. First launched in 2003, Adobe Premiere Pro has become the industry standard video editing software, offering powerful yet easy-to-use tools to help storytellers bring their creative visions to life. Some of the key features of Adobe Premiere Pro include a timeline-based editing interface, robust multimedia import and export options, 4K and higher resolution video support, extensive color correction and grading tools, transitions and effects, video compositing, motion graphics and titles, audio mixing, and integration with other Adobe Creative Cloud applications.